Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Fat Man Scoop. I just want to talk to you a second about credit.
Well, what we say to the credit bureaus is if you wish to continue to report that information, you have to verify and validate it. You have to make it accurate and timely. And unfortunately, the credit bureaus, quite frankly, do a terrible job. The government consistently tries to put their thumb on monopolies in this country, but yet they overlook the one company, there's only one, that generates the credit scores for 300 million people. 25%, the average consumer's having, false, erroneous, and mistakes in their credit reports. Almost every client that we work with has information on the report that does not belong there.
There's another factor that some companies are using to determine whether to lend you money. What's that factor? Facebook.
If you're an 800 credit score, they might not go to that tier. But if you're a person who has less than perfect credit, they want to know some additional information.
So Big Brother is really watching.
Oh, it's monitoring everything
that we do. They start going down the tier system and they say, okay, if you're a 620 or below, I want to know a little bit more about this person.
Great information.
This is great information.
My mind is
Infinity times infinity.
Infinity times infinity. Exactly.
If you want it done right, rock out with Better Qualified and make sure you're right.